Hey guys, Kirk Shevis, First Commerce Financial. Please smash that subscribe button below and ring the bell so you're gonna get all the awesome content that we drop. All right, today we're talking about, should I pay off my collection accounts that are showing up on my credit report? All right, before we get into the actual collection account, I wanna talk to you about before it gets to the collection agency. So it's usually showing up on your credit report in the form of a charge off or a profit and loss. And what that really means is the borrower has stopped making timely payments on their account. And the creditor has just said, we're not gonna get any payments from this customer. We're gonna write this off on our books. And what they do at that point is then they either sell that debt to a collection agency or they turn it over to a collection agency inside their organization. All right, so now we get to the collection account. And the most important thing that in all of this is the date of the last activity showing up on the credit report. So if we decide to do something to that account, such as make a payment on it or negotiate a payment, and we apply some monies towards the balance, it's gonna bring the date of last activity up to the recent date, which is gonna really bring your credit scores down quickly. So if the debt is 24, 36, 48 months into it, since the last activity on the account, we're probably not gonna have you address it at all. But if it's in that, I don't know, couple months to 24 months, that's something that we need to discuss and talk about depending on what your timing is to buy a new home. So it gets a little complicated in here, but that's what we're here for. That's what we walk you through when we're doing our credit improvement strategies with you. So again, most important thing, the date of last activity. If you decide to attack a collection account or pay it, we're gonna help you with that, but you must get information in writing. Do not verbally negotiate with the creditor. That can lead to bad things for your credit reporting and ultimately your credit scores. Any questions, reach out. Have a wonderful day. Thanks, guys.